Blessed Wednesday, people. Rise upon the showcase. Yeah, we're there. The first episode, we're there, King Style Bass. There, so we just go jump right in. Remember, people, no competition, just promotion. So we have Fhiyahshua, Iwaata, Intence, Samiranks, Kenyaman, aka New World Boss, Cynical, Silvaduss, Makanaki from 24 Hours Records. So, people, wanna support them. Support them. Google them right now. Yeah, man, people, no one of them artists, yeah, man, they just Google them, people, support them. Every links for them, and just jump on them, you see? The spelling for them, name, the correct, everything, yeah, man, them, they right, so they just look, the song them on the wall, they just look. See, then the latest tune them, they don't just look and do the right thing. Remember, Fhiyahshua, Up Move, pre-order in iTunes, now Google Play, Amazon have them, you see? So March the 28th, releasing date, people, don't lock it. Yeah, man, you see, so lock the date. You don't know a month, you know, you see, every week, people, a new artist are come on the chart, people. Yeah, man, oh, it sound, no sound mad. Yeah, man, every week, two artists or one artist are going to come on the chart. So two are going to fall off and two are going to come on. So people, no support the movement, King style movements. Rise pan the showcase every Wednesday, people. So people, no go and share that. We